Hey guys, I'm back again with another underarm video. Sexy Smooth Wax sent me the newest launch, which is the Golden Allure. It's this really pretty golden color. As you can see, this is my favorite part, pouring it out. I'm about to mix it in a minute. This is really pretty, super gold. And it goes really well with my colors in here. I have pink and gold accents. And here I am waxing somebody's underarm. And this is about 2.5 weeks of hair growth. She let it grow out just for this video. Here I am putting it on. It goes on really smooth. It's really fast dry time too, so you gotta make sure you pull that strip in time, otherwise it'll break. I'm going to show you the strip hair at the end. Look how pretty that is. Look at all that hair. Literally took all that hair off in one pull. Here I am doing a cleanup. Which it really just took majority of that hair, so I really didn't have to, but just in case. Okay. Then I'm just going to follow up with a little bit of tweezing and add some Pretty Kitty and body oil from the Waxing Queen. And that's it.